Alright, here's a real quick run through of how to change the rubric, just so you know how to do it in the future as well. The rubric that's screwed up right now, that carried the old one over, is in the week 11 Environmental and Cultural Factors assignment. So once you click on that, it'll pull you up here, and you can see these three dots over on the right hand side. When you click on those, you can go down to, I'm going to move the box over low, go down to Show Rubric. When you do that, you can come down to the Edit button, or this little pencil. And it'll give you the option of finding a rubric. So when you go to Find Rubric, move this back over again, you'll see all these different classes over here. I'm in a whole bunch, so hopefully your list is quite a bit shorter than this. But you're going to scroll down until you see, it should be the 4400 shared template, or combined template. So right here, Nursing 4400 combined template. If you click on that, it'll take you to all the assignments that are in the template. And that's where I updated this. So if you come down, it's the Environmental and Cultural Factors one. You can click there. Oh, there you go. Environmental and Cultural Factors. And when you do that, it has, let me expand this window out. It's not letting me expand it out. You'll click on the Environmental and Cultural Factors, and it will show you the template, and you just go to Use this rubric. And that's pretty much it. And so now it's updated as the Environmental and Cultural Factors. So once it does that, you can scroll down, make sure everything looks good. And before you go completely out of this, you now need to go down to the bottom and make sure it was saved. And so I recommend just kind of refreshing it and opening it back up again and checking. It works a little different on the discussion post from like the regular assignment, as far as where the rubric is and how to make sure it's updated. But yeah, so there is the Environmental and Cultural Factors rubric in place. So that's all you have to do, and it'll pull it down from the template for you and should be ready to roll. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.